Rewinding a large motor is a complex and specialized process. It's best left to experienced professionals like those at Koffler Electrical. KOFFLER's technicians will thoroughly inspect the motor to diagnose the cause of failure and determine the necessary repairs. The motor is carefully disassembled, removing components such as the rotor, stator, windings, and bearings. All components are cleaned to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining insulation material. The old windings are removed from the stator and rotor. New windings are manufactured using high-quality copper wire and insulation materials. The winding configuration is carefully designed to match the original specifications or to improve performance. The new windings are carefully installed on the stator and rotor, ensuring proper placement and insulation. The motor is reassembled, including the installation of new bearings and other components. The rewound motor undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets performance specifications and safety standards. The motor is painted and finished to protect it from corrosion and enhance its appearance. The rewound motor is packaged and shipped back to the customer. Koffler has a team of highly skilled technicians with years of experience in rewinding large motors. Koffler utilizes advanced equipment and technology to ensure precise and efficient rewinding. Koffler uses only the highest quality materials, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the rewound motor. Koffler strives to provide fast turnaround times to minimize downtime for customers. By entrusting your large motor rewinding needs to Koffler, you can be confident that your motor will be repaired to the highest standards and returned to service quickly and efficiently. GlobalTech Group is a global leader in electric motor technology, providing innovative and efficient solutions for a wide range of applications. GlobalTech Group's automatic electric motors production line is a testament to the company's dedication to efficiency and precision. The line incorporates a range of advanced technologies to ensure the production of high-quality motors while minimizing human intervention. The production line utilizes automated material handling systems to efficiently transport components between different stages of the manufacturing process. This minimizes manual handling, reducing the risk of damage and improving overall efficiency. CNC machines are employed for precise machining of motor components, ensuring consistent quality and dimensional accuracy. Robotic arms and automated assembly stations are used to assemble motor components with high precision and speed. This reduces the risk of human error and improves production efficiency. Integrated quality control systems monitor the production process at various stages, ensuring that all motors meet stringent quality standards. Raw materials, such as copper wire, steel laminations, and other components, are inspected and prepared for the manufacturing process. Stator cores are manufactured using CNC machines, and copper windings are precisely wound and inserted into the stator slots. Rotor shafts are machined, and rotor laminations are stacked and secured to the shaft. Permanent magnets or windings are then added to the rotor, depending on the motor type. The stator and rotor are assembled into a complete motor unit, along with other components such as bearings, fans, and end caps. Completed motors undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet performance specifications and quality standards. Motors that pass inspection are packaged for shipment to customers around the world. GlobalTech Group's commitment to advanced manufacturing technologies and rigorous quality control processes ensures the production of high-quality, reliable electric motors that meet the demanding requirements of various industries. By continuously investing in innovation and improvement, GlobalTech Group remains at the forefront of electric motor technology. Global Hydro Energy, GHE, is a leading renewable energy company specializing in the design, manufacture, and installation of small and medium-sized hydropower systems. In particular, Kaplan turbines, specifically designed for hydropower dams with low head and high flow, are a key product that clearly demonstrates Global Hydro Energy's expertise and technological capabilities. Kaplan turbines are axial flow turbines invented by Victor Kaplan, suitable for hydropower plants with head from 10 to 60 m. They are especially efficient in using large water flows with adjustable blades to optimize performance according to operating conditions. The main components include the rotor, stator, shaft, and turbine casing. GHE uses CFD to optimize the shape of the impeller and turbine casing, ensuring maximum hydraulic efficiency. Turbine components are designed in detail using 3D CAD software, allowing precise integration between mechanical and hydraulic components. GHE uses high-grade stainless steel and high-strength alloys, which can withstand high loads and long-term stress. The impeller rotor is CNC machined with 5 axes to create smooth impeller surfaces and optimal shapes according to the CFD design. The impellers are then heat-treated to increase strength and stiffness. Stator made from stainless steel plates, precision welded and ground to ensure smooth flow. Shaft is machined from high-strength alloy, then heat-treated and non-destructively tested, NDT, to ensure no defects. The casing is manufactured with high precision, able to withstand high water pressure. Turbine components are assembled in a tightly controlled environment to ensure precision and prevent contamination. The rotor and shaft are dynamically balanced to reduce vibration during operation. The entire turbine is tested under real-world operating conditions to ensure performance and reliability. Global Hydro Energy has positioned itself as one of the leaders in Kaplan turbine manufacturing, thanks to the combination of modern technology, precise manufacturing processes, and a commitment to sustainability. With each turbine, Global Hydro not only provides a high-quality product, but also an optimal solution for hydropower projects, contributing to the development of renewable energy and environmental protection. TORICH uses high-quality seamless round steel billets, which are produced by hot rolling or extrusion processes. The round pipe is drawn through a die to form a square or rectangular shape. This process is carried out at room temperature, cold, plastically deforming the tube and changing its shape. The straightening process is carried out using a specialized straightening machine to ensure the straightness of the tube. The tube is cut into sections of the required length using a saw or laser cutter. Depending on the application requirements, the tube can be surface treated by methods such as galvanizing, nickel plating, chrome plating, powder coating, or phosphating. The MBK Maschinenbau GmbH BSM 250R ROR cage welding machine is a highly specialized piece of equipment designed for the automated production of reinforcement cages used in the construction of concrete pipes and manholes. The machine is fully automated, significantly increasing production efficiency and reducing labor costs. It can produce a wide range of cage shapes and sizes, including round, oval, and special shapes, to meet various project requirements. The machine automatically feeds the required length of longitudinal bars and transverse wires. The longitudinal bars are arranged according to the desired cage shape and size, and the transverse wires are then wrapped around them at specified intervals. The machine uses a welding process, typically resistance welding, to securely join the transverse wires to the longitudinal bars, creating a robust and stable cage structure. Once the welding process is complete, the finished cage is automatically ejected from the machine. Overall, the MBK BSM 250R ROR cage welding machine is a valuable asset for companies involved in the production of concrete pipes and manholes, offering significant advantages in terms of efficiency, quality, and safety.